Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, the 16th of March, 9:46 a.m. New York time, and interesting times indeed at the moment. Let's go straight to the news. We've got unemployment claims at 8:30 a.m. We've had that, sorry. And then tomorrow we have prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment. But the big news at the moment is this banking crisis that's happening. We are in a serious financial crisis right now. Credit Suisse nearly collapsed yesterday, which is that's a big deal. It means the banking sector is not in good shape. Battling rumors of a Lehman-style crash. The government, the Central Bank of Switzerland, just offered to bail them out. Saudi National Bank said it would not inject more money, which is its biggest shareholder. So, it would absolutely not increase the stake in the bank. There's this ripple effect coming on from SVB. What that means for us is that the stock market is not in good shape. Okay, strong US dollar, but not a strong stock market, and that is you get a strong US dollar because of safe haven buying. So fear buying to shore up that people will buy the US dollar just to keep their cash in USD because it's a safe haven, as is the Japanese yen. But we have this very strong collapse in the Dow Jones index in the moment, in the S&P. So just to quickly look at what happened yesterday, we had I think it was a 30% drop in share price of Credit Suisse Group on Tuesday to Wednesday during European session trading. It just shaved 30% of its value off, which is indicative of this creates fear in the market, and people start to pull their money out and create a bank run. That's what happened with SVB. So, and now we have Credit Suisse chaos rippling across the market. So it's chaos out there. And look, there's cycles, they happen, normally in life, and we just need to be prepared for it. So there's nothing to be worried about. We're recession proof. Our strategy makes money in the downtrend. So that's what it's all about. So that's Credit Suisse covered. And if we look at the S&P 500, we see that, we're pushing back down towards 3,800. And underneath 3,800 is this floor here, 3,700. Pretty straightforward. Just key numbers, right? And so we just keep walking down the floor, down the staircase. 3,700 is the next floor under that. That's kind of where we're going. This is going to keep coming down. Dow Jones index is collapsing a little bit faster and stronger. We can see that now. It's pushing through 31,500. Once it penetrates, really penetrates this level, 3,200-ish, it is, it's bearish. It's pretty bearish. Like, this is not a bullish pullback. What I mean by bullish pullback is, a bounce out of here. By the looks of it, anything can happen, but right now this is definitely going to continue its push to the downside, I dare say, all the way back down here to 2,800, and we'll see what happens after that. Again, practice buying in a adversity account, because you definitely want to be able to get out of trades that are going against you. So practice buying, consciously going into the buy, filming yourself, being like, I'm practicing how to get out of this low probability trade, and then finding that you profit quite a lot from them, but then there's times when it runs away from you and how you can cut that loss. You want to practice that over and over and over again. I'm going to go into that in the coming weeks. Okay, people that are new, don't stress too much about this. Guys that are with me for a while now, what the drill is. We talked about it the other day in the meeting. Get rinsing on that. If you want to buy, make sure you're buying in an account where you know that you are you know what you're doing, or you can do it in your normal account as well. It doesn't, if it's up to you. if you want to do it in your record account, but just be wary of what you're doing. Film it, record it, put it up on YouTube, put up your protection trades, your defense trades into YouTube. I'm really eager to see them. Okay, 4 hour, it's getting more and more steep. It didn't even get back to, or did get back to 32,000 supply as we predicted from yesterday, and now it's pushing down even further. So we're getting those pullbacks. I tested some algorithmic strategy yesterday where we're just selling the pullbacks and taking profit at the median or the next riverbank, and it's pretty lucrative. So we're in that kind of condition at the moment. 4 hours like that. 1 hour is tight here. We're working in this channel. I drew this in yesterday, and it's done it exactly as planned. It's come through and come up to 32,000 and then sold off. And obviously we can just predict the next level. Here's the area of demand. It's going to break through there, okay, and then come back up somewhere like this into the channel around here. Okay, it's that simple. 31,500 is the next thing. And so yeah, just any kind of selling through here is on the menu. That's 1 hour. Okay, nice downtrend at the moment. Nothing backing off there, and we can see here on the 1 minute we had a high time frame pullback through the Asian session and the continuation to the downside. We can see that this was my planned area of selling yesterday. Didn't quite make this area of supply, but if you're trading London, just be in a selling mindset. Just be in a selling mindset. Okay, be on. Know that your selling is behind you, and look at the high time frame pullbacks. Right now, just dragging that area out. Okay, that's obviously this area of supply. Then we've got another one here, area of demand. I'm going to pull out from the left. Okay, straight through there. It's about to hit that area. If you are going to buy, make sure you are filming it and you are protecting yourself, and you're going, I'm going into this buy trade because I want to showcase my ability to trade against momentum, and I want to be at risk of losing and learn how to get out. If you're in a buy and it goes against you like this, and your buy is here, okay, right, what you're trying to do is you're trying to get out at break even or negative 1R when it comes back up. That's all you're trying to do, practicing that. Okay, and waiting for price to come to the area where the buy is. Now, in your record account or like trades that are in your favor, beautiful sells here. That's all you need to do today is just put your orders in that area. Okay, in here, this area here, you've got this sliding support line, in line with it. Put your order in there, drag your take profit out a little bit, and try and get yourself a nice little extra bit of profit, make up for the lack of scalping ability at the moment. And hopefully you do get a push back up there. I dare say it might be hitting the median, and that's fine. If it doesn't reach the top bands, it doesn't reach the top bands, and you don't trade. It's all about cultivating that patience. I can't stress it enough. If you try and look for trades because you think that it's going to the median and whatnot, you are not training your mind to trade consistently and safely. You are letting your mind do what it wants, and you're just putting yourself, you're creating bad habits which will possibly stop you from being able to trade correctly very quickly. So listen to what I'm saying, stick to the bands like that. Your life depends on it. Nothing else matters in between. Don't look for anything else. Don't try anything. I can't help you if you try things. It's very easy to become addicted and create bad habits in this very quickly. So that's today. Practice buying. Like obviously, I wouldn't take profit like that. You take profits like that on the buy, long take profit on the sell. This needs to be filmed, and you need to know that you're doing it with the notion of, taking a low probability order. High probability trades are up here today. Okay, high probability zone is up here. So, sorry. Right, that's it. Great. Have a great morning, guys. Cheers. Don't stress. Enjoy yourselves. Play by the rules, and you'll succeed.